Hello guys, on this video let's check how we can reset our Xbox Series S console back to factory settings, and this is very useful if you wanna clean up some space by deleting some games or information and start over again. And more important, if you wanna sell your Xbox, you better reset it, so you remove your data, the information and the accounts you have there, and the new owner will have to start from scratch as he bought it brand new. To do factory reset is pretty simple, so let's go to our settings, then we go to system and then select the console info. Here the second option, as you see, is reset console. So here it gives you two options. One is to reset and remove everything, and that will be the option to go if you want to sell or gift your Xbox to somebody else. And the second option is to reset but keep your games and apps, and this option will be ideal if you're facing any lags or problems with your Xbox and you want just to fix it. So choose the options it fits you and reset your Xbox back to factory settings. I won't reset it right now as I don't need it, but this is where you can find and reset your Xbox back to factory settings very easy. For more interesting videos about Xbox, check the videos right here.